Want to check notifications in Roblox but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to check notifications in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. The easiest way to check notification is by tapping on the bell icon from the top right corner. Here you can see all the notifications that you have received. If you are having trouble receiving the notification, go to your settings, then scroll down to app option and tap on it. Next, search for Roblox app. If you have disabled the notification, tap on the toggle button to enable it. If you want specific notifications only, then tap on the More button from the bottom right corner. Then click on the settings icon. After that, choose Notifications. Now click on the drop-down icon beside Mobile Push Notifications. These are the notifications that you can receive from Roblox. If you want to turn it off, tap on the toggle button beside it. If you want to turn it on, again tap on the toggle button. And that's how you can check notifications in Roblox. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.